Peace tech lovers, TechTube here, back with a new video. It is a special time we're living in and most of us are staying at home, working at home and exercising at home. And we tend to use our home tech consistently during these times, and this makes it prone to catching all sorts of dust and germs. So the biggest challenge is to keep that home tech sparkly and germ free. So today we're going to show you how to properly clean your laptop at home, and without any further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, given how our hands are the easiest means of bringing germs and viruses into our homes, and how our tech is touched by us every day, it is vital that we clean it properly. So we're going to show you how to clean your laptop by getting rid of debris that has been residing between your keys since ancient times, as well as sanitizing it so you don't need to worry about spreading bacteria between your hands, your tech, and around your home. Before starting, remember to wash your hands and dry them, of course. After that, turn off your laptop and unplug it from the mains. First things first, to get rid of dust, you should vacuum clean every part of your laptop apart from the screen, using the brush end of the vacuum cleaner. LCD screens are fragile and will be scratched by the brush bristles, so they need to be cleaned more gently than the rest of your laptop, as I'm going to show you later. Make sure you use the vacuum cleaner on a low setting. You're just picking up dust and small pets of debris here, so avoid setting it too powerful as it may damage your keyboard keys. As well as the keyboard, make sure to vacuum any speaker holes and vents on your laptop because they can build up a lot of dust that has been pushed out from inside your laptop over the years, and keeping them clear is vital to your laptop running nice and cool. The next step to a clean laptop is a clean keyboard. Now that you have vacuumed your keyboard, it should be dust-free and ready for more thorough cleaning. You could start by using some cleaning putty, which is a sticky, slimy substance that you can roll over your keyboard to pick up stubborn particles and debris stuck between your keys. You should also roll this putty over the speaker holes on your laptop. Once the putty has worked its magic, use a microfiber cloth after lightly dampen it and wipe your laptop keyboard down with it. Apply more pressure to any stains or crusty bits that might be stuck to your keys. Cleaning putty is also great at cleaning your laptop's ports, which are another hotbed of debris and easily overlooked dirt. Squish the cleaning putty into your laptop's various ports to pick out the debris from them. Whether or not you use the cleaning putty, you should get a Q-tip or a cotton bud stick, moisten it in an isopropyl alcohol, then stick it into your ports and swap around inside them. The alcohol moistened stick will serve the dual role of pulling debris out of the ports and sanitizing them while it's at it. Do not worry about moisture in the ports as isopropyl evaporates almost instantly. Now the important part, which is cleaning your laptop screen. The screen is one of the more sensitive parts of your laptop, so slightly different rules apply when it comes to cleaning it. Moisten a microfiber cloth with some isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the screen in a circular or straight line motions. Note that if you have a screen with an oleophobic layer, generally a touch screen, then you should not use an isopropyl as this may deteriorate that layer over time. For these kinds of screens, use a mild non-alcoholic screen cleaner instead, and I would recommend it because it also has an anti-static qualities that will help the screen repel dust for longer. Finally, to fully sanitize your laptop, use the isopropyl to wipe down the rest of your laptop. Moisten a microfiber cloth in isopropyl and wipe down your laptop all over. The keyboard, the speaker holes, vents, ports, you name it. The high alcohol content in the isopropyl will help remove stubborn stains and smears on your laptop surface. Rub a little harder on tougher stains and the alcohol should help them come away. The isopropyl will evaporate soon after wiping, and once it does, you can rest assured that your laptop is clean and germ-free. Also, it's a good idea to clean your laptop frequently, particularly in these uncertain times. As an extra precaution during the COVID-19 outbreak, you should always wash your hands before sitting down at your laptop, especially after coming in from the outside. Also, try to wipe down your laptop with an isopropyl alcohol at least once a week. So that's it guys for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave me all your comments below. As always, stay safe, stay home, see you in the next video. Peace out.